Do you want a nice creamy body wash with no chemicals? Well, I can show you how to make your own with just these ingredients. Keep watching and I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Sherry and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today we're going to be doing a DIY creamy body wash. So what do we need for our creamy body wash? 1/2 cup shea butter, 1 tablespoon apricot or avocado oil, and I'm going to use avocado oil, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons glycerin, 3 drops spearmint essential oil, 3 drops vetiver oil, 6 drops bergamot oil, 1 cup Castile soap, unscented, and 1 pump dispenser 16 ounces. I'm going to use 2 8-ounce ones. So let's get started, shall we? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our 1/2 cup of shea butter into a heat-proof container, measuring cup, because we're going to go ahead and melt it over the makeshift double boiler system. And we'll go ahead and go over to the stove. And we take our measuring cup, put it over a pan of water, turn the heat on medium, and let it melt and stir occasionally. So it is getting there. You want it to be pretty well translucent. All right, so this is melted. We'll go ahead and shut the heat off, take this back to the table, set it aside while we mix our other ingredients. So I have a bowl here. We're going to go ahead and take our 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, dump it in a bowl. Our 2 tablespoons of glycerin, 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera, and then go ahead and mix that up. Then take our 3 drops of spearmint, and you want to mix after each of the essential oils added. Oops, gotta stir it. 6 drops of bergamot. Okay, 6 drops. Give it a stir. So 3 drops of vetiver. It's very thick, so it will drop slowly. Get old watching for that to drop. Then we'll go ahead and take our melted shea butter and pour that in there. And I forgot to stir with the vetiver because I was taking so long getting it out. Go ahead and stir that all together. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it back into the measuring cup so I know exactly how much we have, since we are going to go ahead and split it between 2 bottles. And we have just a little bit more than a 1/2 cup. So we'll put a 1/4 of a cup in each of these bottles. I'll get my funnel. This helps not getting any of the air bubbles and not making a mess. Okay, so there's a 1/4 of a cup in that one, and we'll do the rest, which is a 1/4 of a cup, in this one as well. So we have a 1/4 of a cup in both of those. So the next thing that we're going to do is we need a cup of Castile soap, and I'm using baby unscented Castile soap. And then we're going to go ahead and put a half of a cup in each bottle. And this will help it so it doesn't lather until you're ready to use it. And it's not a full bottle. You could probably make do if you had a 6-ounce bottle with this. Okay. Anytime that you use essential oil, you want to make sure that you have an amber or a glass bottle. I don't feel like you need a glass bottle in the shower, so I'm using the amber bottle. And then just go ahead and swirl it around to mix it up. And you might want to give it a swirl every time right before you use it for the shower. Okay, we'll go ahead and fill the other bottle. I can really smell the spearmint. It smells really good. And this will make your skin feel nice and smooth. You'll feel refreshed with the spearmint. All right, and we'll put the lid on that one. You gotta be smarter than the lid. And again, we'll give it a swirl. You don't want to shake it because then it'll get all foamy, and you want to save the lather for your skin. All right, so here we are with the finished product. I put it in 2 8-ounce bottles. They filled up to about here. So go ahead and give it a try. And if you like it, let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video and would like to see others like it, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.